Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We are going to start the Quran in detail. You need not only just the translation in English in the Quran, but we need also the background of the Quran so that we can understand that what is the objective of the Quran and what are the main concepts they are available in the Quran. We start with the first verse, Surah Al-Fatihah. Al-Fatihah. So before starting with this, just the background, we should understand that what's the objective of Al-Fatihah, that the objective of the Quran is sincere person to get truth guideline. Request from Allah, from God, that they request that please guide us that what is truth and what is wrong. Then gods give the answer, an introduction to that, and in all the verses is the answer of God. As we request from Allah that please guide us that what is the truth and what is unethical activities. So this is in the case studies format in which the Quran explains that what is right and what is wrong and what is the result of that. Deviation and misguidance of religious leaders to prepare deviations from the religious concepts in different times in the history, that different religious leaders, they give some wrong ideas, some wrong concepts they introduce with people. So the answer is available in this verse, Al-Fatiha, Al-Maghdubi alayhim, those leaders who have get God's extreme anger. Why extreme anger against them? Because they identify just a fraud, they did it with God. Then similarly, Ad-Dallin, those leaders who have gone astray from the, instead of the right direction, they went to the wrong direction. Then preaching of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam during each prayer, this is Al-Fatiha. As during preaching, during your prayers, you are just preparing Al-Fatiha, which is a request from God. So God give answer of that. So this is the main background of this Al-Fatiha. So let's we understand it. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the ever merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Gratitude is only for God, the Lord of the universe. Ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, the most gracious, the ever merciful God. Maliki Yawmiddin, master of the day of judgment. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'een. Lord, you alone we worship and only your help we request. Ihdina as-sirat al-mustaqim. Bless us with the guidance of these straight path. Sirat al-ladhina an'amta alayhim, غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. the path of those you have blessed by you, and not of those who have earned your extreme angry, nor of those who have gone astray. So this is the just the translation of Al-Fatiha. Actually, the format of the Quran is that each verse is a lecture of God, and he explain that what is the right and what is wrong, and also case studies which happened during the period of prophets alayhimus salam. So you can see here in especially this green color, an'amta alayhim. Please give me the guide of these people you have blessed. Who were blessed? The prophets and their companions, because they go to the right way. And then in the red color, al-maghdubi alayhim. Maghdub means that they get angry from God, which are the extremely fraud they were taking with God and people, and they are giving some wrong ideas. And also dwalling, those people who are astray, that instead of the right way they selected the wrong way. So we request God that please avoid us from those leaders who who are going us in the wrong side. Please bless us the right of this. So this is the format of this verse is just a preaching from Allah. We are requesting for that, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam suggested that for whenever you are praying, you must request this in all the prayers. So do it. So this is just the introduction of the Quran. That Quran is the guideline that which Allah needs. We should do that. And we should avoid the ideas of extreme leaders who are taking to the wrong way. So this is the main objective of the Quran is that, and definitely from start you have seen that God love us. He want us to go to the right way, and the result of that will be Maliki Yawmiddin, the day of judgment, where the result of each person will appear through a balance sheet of each person, that what is your right performance you have done and what is wrong performance, and as a result of that, then God will bless us the paradise. So this is the main area, mainly this is the objective. So please, whatever questions especially they appear, so please you can ask from email, and we will study four different interpretation of the Quran by different scholars. So we will discuss in the next lectures. So whatever question is there, please feel free to ask. Thanks a lot. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.